Alright, I got this old violin from a thrift store, and someone had took a paint marker or a silver Sharpy or something and wrote their name on the back. So I was trying a couple different things to get that off of there. You can see I got most of it off. It's like I think it's a paint marker. Could be Sharpy though. So a couple of things I tried was, I got another marker. You can see where on the tip of that, some of that paint came off. So you can take another marker and that'll soften up. See how it's softening up the old paint, and then wipe that off real quick. That works pretty good, but it kind of leaves a little smudge behind. So I tried some other things. I tried toothpaste on there. It's a little bit of toothpaste. Okay, so the toothpaste, you can see I'll try a little bit of that. You can take a little dab of toothpaste, and I'm going to put it on that letter there. Let it sit on there for a little bit. You can let it sit on there for like a minute. But let's try it right away, so this video isn't too long. It's got a little abrasive in there. See how that works on that letter right there. I'll give it a little time. Rub for maybe 20 or 30 seconds. Okay, so that's probably at least 30 seconds I was rubbing on that. So you got most of the letter off, and it looked close. It didn't damage the finish at all. One thing I was kind of hesitant. I know you can take some solvents and do it too. But here's some baking soda I made a paste out of. Let's try that on the next letter and we'll see how that works. Just going to take a bit of that paste. We're going to rub it on these two letters here and see how it works. We'll do the same thing. We'll do about 30 seconds or so. You know what, that hasn't even been, that's only been about 15 seconds, and that took it all off already, that baking soda. And let me get this wet, I'll wipe it away. We'll see. I don't believe it damaged the finish none either. That baking soda off of there. Well, that worked better than anything really. Let's try it off. There's two little dots after 15 seconds. Right here. Look at it, took up both of those letters mostly away. There's just a couple little dots there. Let's see if I can get in the right light. The finish still super shiny. So if you come across something like this and it's got a Sharpie or a paint marker or something on it, I'd go with the baking soda. It's pretty gentle. It's not a solvent. I'd avoid using like fingernail polish or alcohol or something like that, because you don't know, it may just take, if it's lacquer or shellac or something, it may take that finish right off with it. Just try the baking soda. It's more gentle. Should be able to get all these letters off of there. No problem. It's a nice piece of wood, ain't it? It's got that tiger stripe to it. There you go, guys. That's how you get the Sharpie or paint marker off of some fine furniture or some wood that's got a varnish on it.